Hello students, in this video you will find about analytical chemistry. I am going to give you 3 videos for this or 4 videos. First video, I am going to tell you action of sodium hydroxide on salt solution. In your syllabus ICSE, remember what are there in this part, first part. You have to prepare color of the salt, color of salt solution, and the action of sodium hydroxide solution with the salt solution. Let us see one by one action of sodium hydroxide solution on adding to the salt solution. Then first is here magnesium chloride. Color of the salt is here white colored salt. Ions present, magnesium ion Mg2 plus ion is present there. Its solution is colorless, and if sodium hydroxide is added drop by drop, there is formation of dull white precipitate. On adding excess, it does not dissolve. Reactions I have given there. Now next point is calcium salt is white in color, ions present, calcium ion. Color of calcium ion colorless, and its solution is colorless. Next is if sodium hydroxide solution is added drop by drop, there is formation of cloudy white precipitate. On adding excess sodium hydroxide solution, precipitate slowly dissolves, slightly sparingly dissolves. Name of the precipitate, calcium hydroxide, remember. Third salt, ferrous salt. Ferrous salts are green in color. Ions present, ferrous ion Fe2 plus ion is present. What is the color of ferrous ion? Green. Its salt is green, ferrous ion is also green. Now color of the solution is green color. If sodium hydroxide solution is added drop by drop, the solution, green color solution, in the green color solution there is formation of dirty green precipitate. Name of the precipitate, ferrous hydroxide FeOH2, ferrous hydroxide, dirty green precipitate. On adding excess NaOH, precipitate does not dissolve, no effect. Reaction is given there. Next point. Then in the reaction I have taken ferrous sulfate. Like that you will write for ferrous chloride, ferrous nitrate, same way. Next, ferric salt. Ions present Fe3 plus ion. Color of the salt is yellowish brown or brown in color, or yellowish brown. Ions present, ferric ion. Color of the solution, yellow color, pale yellow colored solution. If sodium hydroxide solution is added drop by drop, there is formation of reddish brown precipitate. Name of the precipitate, ferric hydroxide. Formula FeOH whole thrice, FeOH whole 3 written there. Reaction I have shown there. On adding excess NaOH, there is no effect on precipitate. Precipitate does not dissolve on adding excess sodium hydroxide solution. Here I have taken ferric chloride, any salt given, ferric sulfate, ferric chloride, ferric nitrate. Color of the solution will remain same. Color of the precipitate always same, because in all the cases there is formation of ferric hydroxide. Then color of the precipitate will be reddish brown. Reaction shown there. After ferric, let us see lead salt. Lead salt is also containing Pb2 plus ion, and Pb2 plus ion is colorless, and that Pb2 plus ion which is colorless, its salt is white. Remember, if they are asking what is the color of the salt, white, and its color of the solution, colorless. Salt, I am taking here example lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is soluble in water. Its color of the solution is colorless. Whenever sodium hydroxide solution is added, drop by drop, there is formation of white precipitate. On adding excess NaOH solution, white precipitate dissolves to form a colorless solution. Then what is the complex formed? Complex formed is sodium plumbite, Na2PbO2. It is a water soluble compound. Color of the solution become colorless. Next point, copper salt. Copper salt contains Cu2 plus ion. Color of the Cu2 plus ion is blue color. Color of the salt is blue. It is water soluble. We are taking here copper sulfate salt. Now its solution is blue, remember, aqueous solution. On adding sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop, there is formation of pale blue precipitate. Formula of precipitate CuOH2 and name of the precipitate cupric hydroxide. On adding excess sodium hydroxide solution, precipitate does not dissolve, remains unaffected. Remember, in case of copper salt. Next is zinc salt. Contains Zn2 plus ion. Zn2 plus ion is colorless. Its salt is white in color. Zinc sulfate, zinc chloride, zinc nitrate, white in color. Water soluble salt. And when sodium hydroxide solution is added, color of the solution is colorless. Remember, when sodium hydroxide solution is added drop by drop, there is formation of white gelatinous precipitate. On adding excess NaOH, precipitate dissolves. Name of the complex formed there, sodium zincate, Na2ZNO2, the complex formed. Reaction is given there. The color of the solution when precipitate dissolves, the color of the solution is colorless. Sodium zincate is a complex salt formed in excess NaOH, which is water soluble. This is why there is formation of colorless solution. That's all about the action of NaOH on salt solution. Again, next video I will tell you very important and very interesting thing. Thank you.